After studying the cross section elements, our next point is in the geometric design, it is side distance. Then in side distance we are going to study stopping side distance, overtaking side distance, intermediate and headlight side distance. First, side distance. Then what do you mean by side distance? Side distance is nothing but the distance along the length of the road that should be visible to stop the vehicle before colliding any obstruction. On depending upon different purpose, there are different side distances, but this should be the basic definition of the side distance. Distance along length of road that should be visible to stop the vehicle. Then first side distance in the geometric design, that is a stopping side distance. Stopping side distance. Stopping side distance is the distance provided along the length to stop the vehicle before collision. The distance is along the length of the road. This should not be the SSD. It is along the means it is parallel to the alignment. Then how we can calculate stopping side distance? There is formula for the SSD. It is lag distance plus braking distance. Lag distance is nothing but when the distance traveled by the vehicle while observing the obstruction. When the driver driving a car on the road, then he will realize that there is some obstruction on the road. The time taken by a driver to understand the obstruction, that during that the vehicle will cover some distance. That distance should be lag distance. Next is braking distance. After understanding the obstruction, the driver apply brake to vehicle. The vehicle will not stop directly on that place. It will take some time to stop. The distance covered by the vehicle after the application of braking, it is called as braking distance. Then the formula for the stopping side distance calculation is V, that is the speed of the vehicle into reaction time T, that is 2.5 seconds in case of SSD, plus V square upon 2GF plus minus N. G is gravitational force, F is the friction, plus minus N is the brake efficiency. This formula is for the if V is in meter per second. For the V in kilometer per hour, SSD is equals to 0.278 Vt plus V square upon 254 F plus minus N. Now, for the different road traffic condition, the stopping side distance should be varies. For the two-way traffic in a single lane, the SSD provided is twice of SSD calculated. For the two-way traffic in two-lane road, SSD provided is equals to SSD calculated. For the two-way traffic in a one lane, if the two cars with the different speed, then the SSD of car 1 plus SSD of car 2. If the speed of the vehicle is given but the friction and the acceleration is not given, then these are the standard values of the friction and the acceleration. After stopping side distance, next side distance is overtaking side distance. It is the distance required along the length of the road to complete the standard overtaking procedure safely. This side distance is provided for the overtaking operation. Formula for the overtaking side distance is VB into T plus 2S plus VB dot T, capital V into T. Then what is VB? VB is a overtaken vehicle speed and V is overtaking vehicle speed. In initial, the capital V, that is overtaking vehicle, it is A, but it come down to the VB speed due to the vehicle B. But from the opposite lane, the C vehicle is traveling with the overtaking vehicle speed, that is capital V. Small t is the reaction time T with respect to the overtaken speed. that is 2 seconds in case of overtaking side distance, whereas in case of stopping side distance we taken it as 2.5 seconds. And capital T is the reaction time taken with respect to overtaking speed, means time taken by vehicle C. Then yes, that is spacing is calculated. 6 is the length of the vehicle plus 0.7, it is the braking time, into VB, that is overtaken vehicle speed, that is speed of A. Next is capital T, that is reaction time with respect to overtaking speed, under root of 4s divided by A. S is calculated, A is the acceleration. If the acceleration is given in meter per second square, we will use this formula. If the acceleration is given in kilometer per second square, the formula changes, that is T is equals to under root 14.4 S divided by A. This formula is for the speed if given in meter per second. For the kilometer per hour, the spacing formula is 6 plus 0.2 VB, whereas V is kilometer per hour. As we seen in stopping side distance, the permissible value for the stopping side distance changes with respect to the vehicle traffic, but in this case the permissible OSD, that is overtaking side distance, is provided 5 times OSD calculated, and minimum OSD is 3 times OSD calculated, whereas before moving forward, if in question only they given the design speed, that is V, the VB, that is overtaken vehicle speed, calculated by V minus 16, is the empirical formula, whereas V is equals to kilometer per hour, whereas if V is given in meter per second, the formula changes, VB is equals to V minus 4.5. After the overtaking side distance, next side distance is intermediate side distance on the intersection. If it is not possible to provide the overtaking side distance, then we will provide intermediate side distance on place of the overtaking side distance, that is 2 times of the stopping side distance calculated, if OSD is not possible. And in case of the intersection, the side distance is provided is stopping side distance.